What if I told you that some of the world's most sophisticated communicators are smaller than your smartphone? Hidden in the dense, shadowy rainforests of South America, tiny primates are conducting a communication revolution that will challenge everything you thought you knew about animal intelligence. Close your eyes and imagine the dense, emerald canopy of the South American rainforest. Nestled among the branches, some of the world's most sophisticated communication experts are hard at work, and they're no larger than your hand. Marmosets, these miniature primates, have developed a communication system so complex that it challenges everything we thought we knew about animal language. Recent groundbreaking research from the Hebrew University of Jerusalem has peeled back the layers of marmoset communication, revealing a world of vocal complexity that rivals some of the most advanced communication systems in the animal kingdom. But how do these tiny creatures, weighing just 100 to 350 grams, manage such an intricate language? The journey of a marmoset's communication begins almost from the moment they're born. Unlike many animal species, these primates don't just make random sounds, they engage in a meticulous process of vocal learning that mirrors human language acquisition. Imagine a baby marmoset as a linguistic sponge, absorbing every nuance of sound around it. Vocal mimicry is the cornerstone of marmoset communication. From their earliest days, infant marmosets begin an extraordinary process of sound reproduction. They don't just hear calls, they study them, practice them, and gradually refine them to match the precise vocalizations of their parents and adult group members. It's a process that takes months of dedicated practice, not unlike a human child learning to speak. Marmoset social structures are nothing short of remarkable. Living in small, monogamous family groups, these primates have developed a cooperative breeding system that serves as the perfect environment for language learning. Every family member plays a role in the vocal education of the young, a communal approach to communication that ensures survival and social cohesion. Here's where marmoset communication becomes truly fascinating. Research has shown that learning isn't limited to immediate family members. Adult marmosets, even those not related by blood, can learn and adopt vocal labels from one another. It's like a linguistic exchange program happening in the heart of the rainforest, with each call potentially traveling beyond its original social circle. Phee-calls are more than just sounds, they're a sophisticated communication tool. Marmosets don't just make these calls, they understand them with a level of complexity that challenges our understanding of animal cognition. They can recognize when a call is specifically directed at them, responding with a precision that suggests a deep understanding of social communication. In the dense, dark environment of the rainforest, where visibility is often measured in inches, these vocalizations become lifelines. Each phee-call is a beacon of information, helping marmosets navigate their complex social world. It's an evolutionary adaptation that allows them to maintain social bonds, coordinate movements, and survive in one of the world's most challenging environments. The marmoset's communication system is more than a biological curiosity, it's a living laboratory of linguistic evolution. These tiny primates provide unprecedented insights into the origins of complex communication systems. They demonstrate that language is not a human exclusive, but a sophisticated tool that has evolved across different species. Scientists estimate that marmosets can distinguish between individual calls with an accuracy that rivals advanced communication systems. Their ability to learn and adapt vocally suggests a level of cognitive flexibility that was once thought to be unique to humans. Each call is a testament to the incredible complexity of animal communication. As the sun filters through the rainforest canopy, listen closely. Those seemingly random chirps and calls are actually a complex symphony of communication. Marmosets remind us that language is an art form, a delicate, intricate dance of sound, meaning, and social connection. From the smallest branch to the deepest understanding, these tiny primates continue to challenge our perception of communication, intelligence, and the rich, complex world of animal behavior. In the grand orchestra of nature, the marmoset's voice is small but incredibly powerful. Next time you hear a distant call in the rainforest, remember, you might just be witnessing one of nature's most sophisticated communication systems in action.